Alright, since this topic is really important, here's a super quick 90 seconds explanation of binning in astrophotography using these little squares. One by one binning depicted as a pink square. Every pixel works individually, capturing its own tiny piece of the sky. You get the highest resolution, but every pixel is also fighting noise on its own. Great for sharp details, not so great when the target is faint. Now 2x2 binning. Here 4 pixels team up and act like one bigger pixel, like forming a superhero squad. You lose some resolution, but you gain a much stronger signal because all 4 pixels combine their light. That means better sensitivity and better signal to noise ratio. And binning 3x3, now 9 pixels merge into 1 megapixel. Resolution drops even more, but sensitivity skyrockets. This is perfect when you really need to pull faint stuff out of the noise, like galaxies or dim comets. So in short, 1x1 binning, best detail. 2x2, balance of detail and sensitivity. 3x3, maximum sensitivity for faint objects.